Hi Fox friends, this is our last week of Circle Time and we'll wrap it up this Friday, May 15th. This is Zeke the zebra and he's the last letter of the alphabet, and when you hear his sound it's like he's taking a nap. Z, z, z. So last time we left off we were with T, and then we're going to go to U. And U is umbrella bird, so you act like you're holding an umbrella. And the sound is Then we have Vincent the vampire, and that's when he has a fang out and says v, v, v. W is Willy Weasel, and a weasel moves kind of like a wiggle, so that's w, w, w. Here's our class animal, fox, and it's x, x, x. And then the last two letters, so we have U, V, W, X. Yancy Yak likes to talk on the phone, and she says yeah, yeah, yeah. And then our last letter for Z is Zeke the zebra, and he takes a nap. Z, z, z. We're going to have backwards day with our fox friends. We'll start with T. So we hope Tris is joining us, and River. Here are two that start with P, and it's Presley and Paisley. Mason Ratter and Mason Aronson. And we hope Kara and Hunter and Grayson are here. Hello. Forrest, Emma, Dylan, Dominic, hi. And we have Chase and Chloe, Brycelyn, Brian, Ashton, and last but not least, Annie. So we hope all of you are with us. The book I want to read today talks about a repeating story or a circle story. And you'll find out that this little mouse, if you had this at your house and you had your 2 pieces of bread and some peanut butter, look at this big jar of peanut butter, some jelly, you could make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But you'd probably be needing something to drink because peanut butter is kind of sticky. So you'd ask for a glass of milk, and then you would need a straw to drink your milk with. Do you see how it keeps going and going? One of my favorite childhood stories is If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. And it starts out with this little boy. He's in his front yard. And if you give a mouse a cookie, you can see the mouse on the way other side, way over here. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask for a straw. That little boy's got to go digging in his cabinet like I did. Oh. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Then he'll want to look in the mirror. He wants to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks in the mirror, he might realize he needs a trim. So he's probably going to ask for a pair of scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. Oh, I think I want this mouse at my house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. You'll have to fix up the little box for him with a pillow. He'll crawl in and make himself comfortable, and he'll fluff the pillow a few times. He's probably going to ask you to tell him a story. So you'll read from one of your favorite books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll be so excited he'll want to draw his own, and he'll ask for some crayons and paper. There goes the nap. He'll draw a picture. He's got a lot of crayons. When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name with a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on the refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. Oh, I see it there. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him, do you remember what it started with? He's thirsty, so he'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are if he asks for a glass of milk, what's he gonna want? A cookie to go with it. So this story is called a circle or repeating story because it could keep going and going and going. And I have one Wednesday that I want to share with you too. Okay, the last challenge of the patterns, I did a long one. Can you say it with me? Blue, blue, green, green, yellow, yellow. Now it's your turn. Blue, blue, green, green, yellow, yellow. Blue, blue, green, green, yellow, yellow. So what would come next? Yeah, that's good. These are fun to do at home. I have to tell you some exciting news. Mr. Koala Counter has a little baby, and his name is Cuckoo. So we have Koala the Counter and Cuckoo. And Koala is going to help us with our numbers, and then Cuckoo will help us with how to make the number. So Koala says number 1, and that's the number 2, 3, 4, hope you can see these okay, 5. Now you're going to notice something happen on the next page. There's going to be 5 blue and 1 red. So 5 plus 1 is 6. There's going to be 5 blue and 2 red. 5 plus 2 more is 7. And then 8. We have 5 blue plus 3 more red is 8. 5 blue plus 4 red is 9. And think of this as 5 on one hand and 5 on the other, and 5 and 5 is 10. Now we're going to go back to the number 1. This is for a Friday activity with math, and Cuckoo's going to help you. So say it with him. Pull straight down, and that is fun. That's how you make the number 1. Number 2 is a candy cane and then a line. You get a 2 every time. Around the tree, around the tree. That's how you make the number 3. 4 is down across and down some more. That's how you make the number 4. The last one we'll do is a little bit tricky, but make the top and dive. That's how you make a 5. So we'll thank Cuckoo for his help today with the numbers. The next time we meet, I will be sharing a similar book. It's called If You Give a Moose a Muffin. So we'll be doing some activities with that. And Miss Katie and I will both be on the video on Friday, May 15th, because that's our last day for Circle Time, and we want to make sure that we're saying goodbye to everybody. So we'll see you next time for the moose and the muffin. Bye-bye.